Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IGCSE exams. First, establish a clear study timetable, allocating specific times for each subject. This helps you manage your workload and ensures all topics receive adequate attention. Next, break down complex subjects into smaller, digestible parts. This approach makes learning less overwhelming and more effective. Finally, familiarize yourself with the syllabus and mark schemes for every exam. Knowing what's expected is crucial for targeted preparation. To maximize your learning, engage in active recall by testing yourself frequently rather than just rereading. This strengthens memory retention significantly. Incorporate past papers into your routine, completing them under strict, timed conditions. This practice builds speed and familiarity with the exam format. Additionally, create flashcards or mind maps for key concepts and definitions. Visual aids are powerful tools for quick review and understanding complex information. Maintaining your well-being is just as important as studying. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to ensure your brain can consolidate information. Remember to take short, regular breaks during your study sessions. Stepping away for 5 to 10 minutes can significantly improve focus. Also, prioritize staying hydrated and eating nutritious meals to keep your energy levels consistent throughout the day. As you approach your exams, thoroughly review any mistakes made on practice papers. Understanding where you went wrong is key to improving your scores. Consider forming study groups with peers. Discussing challenging topics can offer new perspectives and reinforce your understanding. And for a little help around the house, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Good luck with your IGCSE exams.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.